a bit noisy because the fan, it's really noisy is the fan. So I'm just going to show you, this is the bell bit I've shown you before, but all these I would use for debulking acrylic and gel. So there's that one. There is, I would use that one as well for removing acrylic. This one for acrylic and gel, a medium. That one's an extra coarse. So I'll show you, there's quite a few which I can show you. Get it out. So I'll show you the bell bit first. Now it is my non-dominant hand what I'm using, so this is why I'll probably go slower than what I usually do. But see, so it takes it down quite good. You just carry on until you get down to your clear layer if you've got one. Then we have got extra coarse. So this is the same, but it's just like ceramic, and it doesn't, with a bell bit, you can feel it chewing into the acrylic. With this, it doesn't really, like, it does take it off, as you can see. It just hasn't got like the deep teeth. But it still does the same. This is just a medium one, so I'd use this for gel or acrylic, but you can, I wouldn't be using coarse on gel. So this is the same. So it still takes it down. Got this one, which is a bullet. I think it's called a bullet bit. And this one, I'm trying to do it with my cacam. It's good for, you know, getting near your cuticle and getting round there. And like if you've done a fresh set, so like that, it's good for, you know, going around the cuticle. But it's still the same, you know, it's alright. Let's takes it down. Just a different shape. We've got these, I think they're football bits. I'm not sure, but sometimes people call them cone bits and football bits. I'm not right sure. I'd say football. So this is a coarse one. This one's got more like bigger teeth, so it gets bigger chunks off it. as you can see, but these are all for debulking. And then, oh, we got this one. This is another one, but it's a medium. Yeah, medium one. So you can tell it's like got finer teeth. And then we have this one, which is, it's not a safety bit. Some people like them because they are sharp on the edge. There. But I've had a bad experience with one where I was going around and it cut my cuticle. So I don't really use them. I only use safety bits. But you can see it still does, still takes it, and then you can, good for when you've got some lifting. I ain't got no lifting to show you, but you know, you can do that and cut it out. I've got this one, and I would say it's a coarse because it's got pretty mean teeth on it, but it also spirals around the top. So I wouldn't say it was a safety bit. This is a carbide rainbow one. It still does it. This is a carbide safety drill bit. It's a medium one. Takes them all down. I'd use this for gel as well. It's pretty safe and fine. This is a tapered bit. Same, I think it'd be getting around your cuticles. Don't use it on your cuticles. This is only for acrylic and gel. But where you've got lifting as well, I think it'd be good. As well as removing. I think that is it for Debulking acrylic gel. So thank you for watching.